You're about to do Zazu's nails now. So get down, Zazu. Thank you. Actually, you have to grab the nails like that, very comfortably and very gentle. You gotta be very gentle. You gotta hold the nails. And this thing gets a little bit hot, so just take a break and move on to the next. She's used to the nail trim. She doesn't like it, but she tolerates it. And that's enough for me. Okay, so very good job. Just say no. Now we're gonna do it fast and quick. So just sharpen. Unfortunately, the nails has to be done on every parrot. They can't really sharpen their nails even if you have the sand birches. It helps, I'm not saying. So have a couple of wood perch, couple of sand perch. Have a variety of perch in your cage. It helps actually. It helps the muscle in the long run. It's okay, Zazu, it's okay. See, she doesn't really like it, but she let me do it because she trusts me. And I trust her. And she's all, yeah, she's 16 years old, so she's pretty used to this procedure now. Okay, last one, and we move on to the next foot. Right, Zazu? But we're gonna shake it up. And of course, when you finish, you have to give a big kiss and tell her how much you love her and how good girl she is, right? Kiss. Can I have a shake up? Good girl at the end. Okay, so let's do the other hand. So basically, just holding her hand like this and hold her nails at the same time when you do it with 2 or 3 fingers. You gotta push it on. This machine is really good. It's better than cutting the nails because you can actually cut their nerves and they can bleed to death. So you have to be very careful. This one, when you do it, it actually burns it. If you actually hit the nerves, it would burn the whole thing. I mean, it would burn it. It wouldn't be a problem. It's just, you know your bird, you know how often you do the nails, so you can even grab a little chalk and just chalk it where you wanna stop trimming, right? So I know already because I have done it a million times. I have 2 blue and gold macaws. One is 20 years old, Coco, and Zazu is 16. Very good job. Let's see. That's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. She's a very good girl. She's taking a rest now. Good girl, Zazu. Look at you. All right. Good girl. Can I have a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Kiss. Okay. Yeah, you gotta do everything with one hand because you have the bird on the other hand. Can I have a beautiful shake up? Because you are a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I'm so proud of you. And I have to ask you, Zazu, to sharpen a little bit over here on the other side. Okay, if you don't do the job, I will get back to you. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for another day. See if she can sharp by herself the other side. But I did a great job. Thank you so much, Zazu and Sylvie.